Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Tailor, and today we're discussing something that can make a significant difference during a separation or divorce: financial preparedness. Imagine this: you're at a crossroads in your relationship. Separation is becoming a reality, and alongside the emotional challenges, you're worried about finances, assets, debts, and what the future will look like. Now imagine a different situation. Imagine that you already have a clear understanding of your financial picture. Your records are organized, your information is accessible, and you feel prepared instead of overwhelmed. That is the power of proactive financial organization. In Ontario, family law, financial disclosure is a fundamental part of separation and divorce. It is the foundation for property division, child support, spousal support, and fair settlement negotiations. Without clear and accurate financial information, it becomes much more difficult to reach informed decisions and protect your interests. When separation occurs, both parties are legally required to provide full and accurate financial disclosure. If your financial records are disorganized, the process can become more stressful, more expensive, and more time-consuming. Many people find themselves searching for years of bank statements, tax returns, and financial records while already dealing with the emotional impact of separation. Being prepared can significantly reduce that burden. One of the best things you can do is start organizing your financial documents early. Begin with income records, including pay stubs, T4 slips, tax returns, notices of assessment, bonus information, and records of any additional income sources. If you own a business or are self-employed, gather business financial statements and corporate tax records as well. Next, organize your bank accounts and investment records. This includes checking accounts, savings accounts, RRSPs, TFSAs, GICs, investment portfolios, and any other financial accounts. You should also collect property-related documents, including mortgage statements, property tax records, property appraisals, deeds, vehicle ownership records, and documentation for other significant assets. Debt records are equally important. Gather statements for credit cards, lines of credit, personal loans, student loans, and any other outstanding liabilities. If you have pension benefits, obtain the most recent pension statements and valuation information. Insurance policies should also be included, especially life insurance, disability insurance, and any policies with cash value. While this may seem like a lot of information, having it organized in a dedicated digital or physical folder can save significant time and stress if a separation occurs. People often ask what happens if one spouse handles all the finances and the other person does not have access to the records. This is a common situation. Start by gathering whatever information you can access. A family lawyer can help request additional disclosure and, if necessary, obtain information through the court process. Another common question is whether estimates are acceptable when exact numbers are unavailable. For formal financial disclosure, accurate documentation is extremely important. Estimates may be useful for preliminary discussions, but actual records are required for legal proceedings and settlement negotiations. Some people also wonder whether hiding assets or debts can help them during a separation. The answer is no. Ontario courts take financial disclosure very seriously. Failing to disclose assets, income, or debts can lead to significant legal consequences, increased costs, and negative outcomes in your case. Transparency and accuracy are always the best approach. The key message is simple: be proactive, be organized, and be informed. Taking the time to understand and organize your finances today can reduce stress, lower legal costs, and help you make more confident decisions in the future. Financial preparedness is not about expecting the worst. It is about creating stability and protecting yourself no matter what life brings. When you understand your financial picture, you are in a stronger position to negotiate, plan, and move forward with confidence. Knowledge is not only power. In family law, it is also peace of mind. Contact us if you have any inquiries regarding Ontario family law.